Okay, so we're back on the MG Midget and at Chaz's custom garage. And I put the transmission on last time and I forgot something, so we gotta take it apart again.
Not very far.
No, just 6 bolts, big deal. We usually take stuff apart about 2-3 times anyways, so it's not bad.
That's how we roll.
Let's roll. Scratch that paint.
Should be good.
Good. Did I miss one?
Not on this side.
No.
Oh, it's got the pins in.
We need the brass.
Put a little tension on this. I'll pull things. Okay.
Yeah.
Take it. This pin right here, maybe. Oh, wait a minute. No, that plate stays. That plate's bolted to the engine.
No.
That's not no good. It's this pin, I'm sure. It's.
All right, we'll do it this way then. But not with that.
It's a huge transmission, man. You sure you can handle this?
No.
Yeah.
Hey, look at this unit.
It's crazy.
12 speed.
12 speed? Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. May want to set that aside.
Yeah. Brand new clutch.
Check.
So we had to take it apart because I didn't bend these tabs on the flywheel. And we went home and Chaz called. He's like, "Hey, did you guys bend the tabs?" I was like, "Nope." So here
So
we are.
after this, we can put everything back on.
Yeah.
It's working pretty good.
No, it's not.
It was for a second.
I've been sort of dreading this night, knowing that how many maddening details we still have to fix on this. But we're doing pretty good. Everybody's kind of flying. I suspect nothing's going to be too little.
Yeah, I think we need a little.
A little skinny one, probably.
It's my mistake. I shouldn't have shaved that off on the alternator.
What choice I got put to live
What's up?
And this one out.
What is it you want to do with it? Oh, it's all the hell you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, well, look at that. Why is it like that? Try this, huh?
I think so.
All right. The worst that can happen is we'll take it back out.
I'm sure we will, at least 3 times.
Watch the paint.
Yeah.
Watch that paint.
Now think positive. Now, is one of these free? No.
Thinking positive is knowing that we're gonna be.
Don't we
taking it out.
don't we think that one of these has to be free?
Yeah. I think that one, because this one was tight.
Yeah.
It's like the whole thing needs to move.
No,
Like
it's just this.
Oh, just that part. Oh,
No, that one needs to be completely removed. That's how it was.
okay.
I just.
I don't know what the procedure's gonna be, but I know it came, when we took it apart,
Jazz, if you don't know, no one knows.
well, I know, what I do know is when we took it apart, this was off.
Yeah, but why? No one knows.
Probably a reason, who knows? But
Watch the pen, guys.
now it didn't really come quite far enough to give you the right amount of room, but,
Yeah, you're gonna have to help me out then.
well, I think I have to, hold on, let me get in a better position. Okay, take it out.
Going out?
Yeah, take it out.
Just up from here.
And then back down when it comes back up.
Can I try this home today or no?
Swing around as soon as you can.
I can.
Oh no. Come in with it. Kick that right there. There you go. All right.
I
Now,
think.
we gotta have more angle.
Yeah.
Get your tool going on this
What size is that?
power tool. It's gonna be close,
Yeah.
but you wanna pull it back and move it a link?
Yes. Clear?
Yeah, we're clear.
We just set on the floor?
What a pain in the ass, but what can we do? That thing's,
Yeah, we're gonna rest the paint.
getting that thing going would be even more work.
Jacob, see it? You gotta drop it like real fast. Snap that package right in half.
Yeah, I'm good at that.
Okay, keep in mind. That's part of your job,
Okay.
ballast. Jacob, kick that wheel forward.
This one?
Keep that.
Kick it that way.
Okay, now we go down a little.
As fast as you can.
Don't wanna scratch this paint here.
Okay.
We may or may not have enough angle.
Yeah,
It's like cambered.
We'll force it.
that's the thing, we'll push a little
This
bit
engine weighs like
if we have to.
Brass hammer it into the bay.
shim it. We'll shim it in here.
In here,
So,
push it in.
yeah, we're gonna go to this side. Can I go back more? I can lower some now.
Yeah, keep it as low as you can.
Right.
You watch that.
Going in.
When you can't go lower, go on in.
Okay, going down. What am I hitting? Oh man, the jack stands are in the way.
Huh?
The jack stands are in the way. I'll go back over that. Like that. Okay. I'm gonna
So you
load.
can come down a little, maybe.
Yes.
Okay. Now guess what has to happen?
We're gonna level it back out.
Okay, now I can level more. Ideally.
Are we there? We're there. That's it.
No.
Okay, you gotta go up.
So you gotta go more level.
Yes.
Oh, hey.
What's holding it?
You're about 1 more inch. I gotta come down some.
Oh, okay.
I gotta come down to get this side.
See here at Chaz's Customs, we like to remove everything 3 times.
It's the British way, man.
That gives you practice, so then the 3rd time when you put it in, you know it's right.
Back when I was Jacob's age, a little older, I started off working in British car dealerships.
Can you go up?
And we got to the point, I got to the point where it didn't have to do that.
Okay, that's good.
You'd know the secret, what I mean, the secret, it's like a video game where there's only one way and you gotta do it again and again and again until you finally don't have to back up. That's how these damn cars are. You in there enough?
No.
You dog.
Scratching the paint, guys.
That's it.
That's it? That's all I need. There we go. I just need to push the engine back.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we're not supposed to tie anything. Look at that.
It's gotta be over on this side where there's room.
The engine is mounted. Where's the keys?
Keys? Oh. Good question.
No, we're getting close.
Oh, where's the ignition?
It's in that room over there.
Yeah. Alright, which wheels are better? These ones? Or these ones? Put your answer in the comments. Which one do you like?
I like these.
These?
Yeah.
I don't know, it's a hard
Which ones
choice.
do you like?
I like the stock wheels, the black ones.
They're both
All
black.
ones.
The solid black, that's the stock. And that's
I like the stock ones.
Just because I
They're
think
just-
they're gonna perform a little better, maybe.
performance maybe, yeah, but they just look too big for the car, I think.
Yeah, I know, I like them.
But I don't know, we'll see. Is that not gonna rubber here? You turn? It'll be close.
The ones with the chrome rims do look a little better, it's true. But I'm all about performance. I think these are engineered to be on a car,
Yeah.
whatever.
Alright,
Let us know.
zip them off.
Yes.
You like that filter location though?
Well, it's gonna be be what it is. It would be nice if it was straight,
Yeah, it'd be nice if it was aligned with that hole.
or even just straight, you know, but I don't know. I mean, it is what it is.
I wonder, well...
We don't want to stick it on because we want to fill it with oil. So,
That's all, folks. Is that awesome enough?
The engine is in. We just can't find the key to start it.
alternator, the modified alternator is perfected. That thing's perfectly straight.
Yeah, that's a GM alternator.
GM.
3-wire. It's gonna have a light on the dash. So the engine's officially bolted down completely. It's all the mounts are tight. Hopefully it's not coming out, but who knows? It might.
I suspect it may stay in there. I don't know anything.
I don't see any reason why we would need to pull
really
it
wrong,
out.
but we'll see. We'll see, won't we? We won't really know until we put in fluids and we start it up and
And then we gotta pull it out.
see what
Now
happens.
the battery's in. Look at this awesome bracket Chad made. Yeah, so from now we'll just dress up the engine, and I guess we're gonna focus on the dash next, right? And the wiring.
We gotta drill some holes for our rearranged switching design that we have. And then we'll put the dash in with nothing in it.
Mm-hmm.
And then slowly put the pieces in one by one and hook them up to the wiring.
Yeah, check out the shifter.
It seems to work very well. That transmission we got seems to be a good one.
Yep. What do we decide on this?
I'm gonna advocate that we switch out our other steering column we have.
Okay.
Now, hey, that's a good question. Do we wanna do that before we put the engine in? No, the answer is not really. We can get to this. It's fine. I'm not sure how it is. I don't remember, but it must be that these through bolt, because we got the other column out.
Yeah.
And-
By we, that's you. You did that.
Well, it's not disassembled.
It's the whole piece.
Yeah, the Trinity Care's underground, so it went this way. So it must be that this, once you undo these bolts, that this comes off. Comes off this way. It doesn't look like it though, does it? It looks like, oh, I know what it is. Comes off right there. This is just a flat ring. I'll bet you. We got one in here, we can look at it. We'll do that. We'll do that next time.
Yeah, but let us know which wheels you like better, these or the other ones, or
I would vote these if I were you.
Yeah.
performance.
People's choice wheels.
Performance, yes. Looks, those.
The chrome rims do look good. It's no doubt about it.
Yeah.
But
These also have chrome.
I think these look like they'd handle the country road pretty good.
Well, let's take it on the drive.
Yeah, let's go.
We need gas, keys, seats,
Seats would be
dash.
helpful.
I don't think
Gas
there's
pedal?
anything that we have on order, is there?
No, because I forgot to order the seat diaphragms.
diaphragms.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, get those ordered.
And I gotta find the pin. If I can't find the pin, I gotta order a pin, right, for the clutch. So.
No, if you can't find it on that, we gotta find it someplace else around here.
All right.
I don't know.
I'll let you know tomorrow if I find it.